In defense, manufacturing, and aerospace, communication must be secure, resilient, and completely under your control. Yet many organizations still rely on legacy or commercial platforms that aren't designed for mission-critical operations. Troop Messenger is purpose-built for high-security environments. Deploy it on-premise, in a private cloud, or within air-gapped network, maintaining complete ownership of your communication and data. With end-to-end encryption, quantum-resistant cryptography, role-based access controls, enterprise SSO, with secure voice, video, and file sharing, Troop Messenger enables trusted collaboration, even across low-bandwidth or degraded networks. Trusted by organizations such as the European Space Agency, Airbus, Indian Air Force, Admiralty UK Navy, GMV, and many more. When every message matters, trust Troop Messenger. Connect with our defense technology team to schedule a secure demonstration and explore how Troop Messenger can be deployed within your secure environment.